Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CodeBridge. In this video, I'll walk through installing MinGW and VS Code, then setting up them for C++. So let's get started. Open up any of your browser and visit winlibs.com. Winlibs. So it should open up this. It's an old website. Make sure you scroll down to MSVCRT runtime, not the UCRT runtime, and download the Win64 version. No, just check about here and see which system is here. It's my 64-bit operating system, so I will download the Win64 version. You can download Win32 if it shows 32-bit operating system. So I have already downloaded that. So, and another one is VS Code. Just click on download button here and download this. This for Windows. Go to the second one, not the first one. And mine one is Win64 64-bit operating system, so I'm gonna download this times x64. And okay, I have already downloaded both of these. So open up where you have downloaded these files. Here it's go. So let's set up the VS Code. Just double click on it and follow the instruction. I accept, and here the installation part, let me just put it on D drive. No, C is good. Just right there. Okay. Next and next install. So it will install it in a bit. Till then, you should have this file here. Just right click on it and extract it. You can also extract it using this extract all button. But VS Code is done and it's getting okay. So VS Code, just open up the VS Code here. Oh no, okay, this is my old one. Let me just okay, let me just open up a new file, new folder. Okay. Now, okay, it's done. So it should look something like this. Once you have extracted it, it should be something like this. So let's just go to the this Control X here. Just cut this and paste it anywhere on here. I already have this. Okay. Just paste it here. I'll just delete the old MinGW that I have. Okay, so this one is the one we just pasted it. So open this up and open the bin, not anything, the bin one, and copy the part. C MinGW 64 bin. Just copy the part. After that, you have to open up the environment variable. Just type in en environment and the source bar. it should open up the system properties like this. Click on the environment variable and you'll see two tables, one for the user and one for the system. You could just edit the user part, but the system one is better. So just okay, so just click on this part, not the part ext, just the part. Click on edit and here you will see the part. So just click on the new here, don't mess up with anything here, and copy paste this part here. See MinGW bin. Click on OK and OK. So it should set up your compiler, and if you got to check, just open up the cmd to check the compiler if it's working or not. So to verify it if it's properly installed, just open up the cmd and type in c++ dash dash version. It should show something like g++ blah blah blah. The version name is the 14.2 that we downloaded, and it might be 15 or 16 depending on the whichever version you downloaded. So that's if something goes wrong here, just be sure to just follow the right step. So if everything is correct till now, let's move on to the next step and open up the VS Code. For me it's already open. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, VS Code. Okay, it doesn't close. Okay, so anyways, let's after you launch the VS Code, you shouldn't have this file here. You can just open up a file from the top right corner, open folder, and you can just uh, let me just delete this. Okay, I got you can just create another file in here like blah 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 and open this up. So here and go to the extension. You wouldn't have all of this installed. It should be 0 extension installed. Just search for C++ and it should come up with this with the Microsoft, and install this extension by the microsoft.com. You don't really need any other extension in here, just this one. It was from Control Shift P and then the C++, edit configuration UI is set to Win32, and the compiler part you have to set it to MinGW64. It will just detect itself, but just select the right compiler with its MinGW64. So just close this and open up this one file. Just open up the folder, trim this one, and create just here, or you can just press Ctrl N to create another file and Ctrl S to save it. Just write hello world and C++. So it's a create hello world.cpp, or you can just click on this new file and write hello, the file name, so it's hello world.cpp. So it's a create a C++ file in here. Now you can just type in a simple C++ program, include iostream and int main. So we will just display something like a terminal. Going to CodeBridge basic. Now just open up a terminal with this control cs g plus plus dash o main. You can just type in a and hello world. Okay, cpp, it should be dash o. So it should create a file name a.exe. If you write here, instead of a you write hello world, it should create a hello world.exe. Just type in world to run. It will run. It will say welcome to the CodeBridge or just a. So that's it for the today's video. We'll meet. You have successfully installed MinGW and VS Code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe CodeBridge for more tutorial. And see you then in the next video.